Hello, welcome to La Tenda Colombian Coffee. My name is Juan Pablo, and today we are going to prepare coffee. To prepare our homemade mochaccino, we are going to use our coffee Cafetalero, of which we are going to need 19 grams of ground coffee in medium grind, a little bit of chocolate coating, a little bit of syrup, 20 milliliters of chocolate sauce, a little bit of milk, and our French press. To begin, we take our ground coffee, put it in the French press, and add 120 milliliters of water. Now we let our press rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we lower the wrapper of our press and proceed to micolate in our container with the syrup and the chocolate coating so that it looks like this. Now we serve our coffee in our cup. Then we emulsify the milk in the French press, making this movement. This way the milk will separate the cream from the liquid and we will have a much creamier texture. Once we are happy with the result, we can serve. Add our chocolate sauce. This way we would have our homemade mocha. Now that you have seen how easy and fast it is to prepare a coffee of excellent quality and flavor at home, we encourage you to try it yourself and surprise those you love the most. Visit us at www.latenda.com